Hello everybody and welcome back to Energy Advantage, your trusted source for everything solar and roofing. Today's topic is incredibly valuable for all homeowners, and that is how to expand the lifespan of your roof. Your roof, obviously, is a crucial part of your home, and taking care of it will definitely save you money. And of course, problems in the long run. In this video, we're going to share expert tips on maintaining and extending the longevity of your roof. So let's check it out. So why is extending the lifespan of your roof important? Well, your roof is the first line of defense against the elements. Keeping it in good condition has several benefits. Protects your investments. Your home is one of your most significant investments. A well-maintained roof preserves your property's value. Cost savings. Preventing major roof replacements or repairs, of course, will save you a ton of money. Energy efficiency. A healthy roof helps insulate your home, obviously reducing energy consumption and lowering your bills. Peace of mind. Knowing that your roof is in good condition gives you a peace of mind. This means, of course, you're less expected to face problems with your roof, such as leaks or structural damage. Okay, so let's dive into some strategies that you can implement to extend the lifespan of your roof. Regular inspections. Schedule professional inspections at least once a year. This will allow you to catch and address any small issues early on, because sometimes these small issues can become bigger issues down the track. Prompt repairs. If your inspection reveals any problems, such as damaged shingles or flashing, get them fixed promptly. Keep gutters clean. Clogged gutters can actually lead to serious issues with your roof, such as water damage. Water damage causes rot, mold, so on and so forth, so it can actually turn into be a huge problem. So something as simple as cleaning your gutters and maintaining your gutters is really, really important. Think of it like tuning up your car. You want to make sure that you change the oils, get regular checkups, because obviously if you don't get those things fixed early on or prevent, well, then it can actually completely damage your car. So it's kind of the same thing. Trim overhanging trees. Okay, so build up debris on your roof can actually cause water dams. And therefore, once again, same as the gutters, it can create water damage for your roof. So it's a simple and easy thing to fix. Proper ventilation. Ensure that your attic has proper ventilation. This obviously prevents heat and moisture buildup. This expands the lifespan of your shingles and, of course, of the structure of your roof. Install ice and water shields. Ice and water shields are excellent, especially for cold climates. By following these simple tips, you can actually extend the longevity of your roof. This ensures protection and efficiency. So why is professional maintenance so important? Well, DIY maintenance is, of course, very important. There are things, of course, that a professional knows that maybe a homeowner does not. And of course, this can make a substantial difference in the lifespan of your roof. Here are some reasons why it matters. Experience. Roofers are trained to identify specific issues on your roof. A pure example of this is rusted nails, something that most people wouldn't think about, but small rusted nails need to be replaced or sealed. And there are many, many other things that a professional roofer will look out for that maybe a homeowner would not. Proactive care. Professionals can catch and fix a problem before it becomes a major problem. And of course, this is going to be a costly repair down the track, so they can warn the homeowner and inform them, and not only that, but also educate them. Safety. Being a roofer is a dangerous job. You got to get up there, ladder, height, could fall. Yeah. It's one of those things that it's probably not worth the repercussions and the medical bill, of course. So just get a professional to do it. Makes your life easier. Simply put, having a professional coming and doing the job for you is definitely an investment worth your time and your safety. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. As always, if you would like us to give you a roof quote or a solar quote, all the information that you need is in the description box below. Have a good day.